colleague Shane. On the occasion of Reading Inspiration Day, I want to say some things about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on 15th October 1931 at Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu. His father, Jalal Abidin, owned a boat while his mother was a housewife. Dr. Kalam was the 11th President of India. He was an aerospace scientist and also a writer. He worked as an aerospace engineer at ISRO and DRDO. Dr. Kalam studied the aerospace engineering from Madras Institute of Technology. At the beginning of his career itself, he designed a small helicopter for the Indian Army. He is known as Missile Man of India. Dr. Kalam played an important role on Indians' Pokhran 2 nuclear test in 1998. As a president, he took the effort to understand the minds of peoples and connect with them. He opened the Rashtrapati Bhavan from the common peoples. He is also known as People's President. Dr. Kalam awarded with many awards like Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan and many more. Dr. Kalam left this world at 27 July 2015 because a sudden cardiac arrest. Dr. Kalam, even if he is not present with us today, but the work and words will always be with us. Thanks for listening my words. Have a nice day. Thank you.